This is the one you have. The push button could be red or green. So this little plastic thing, white, that you have, push it in, and when you push it in, you just pull out, and that way you put this here, and then coordinate to put it in like that. And then you could twist this to make it even, and there you have your push button. So to take it out, it's the same thing. Go here, push the white thing, and it comes apart. So it's this little thing that you push, this little white thing you push. Has a little play to get back in. It's stuck. Then again, this little white thing you push in and pull out.